Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the settings and here we have to find sounds and vibration. Now let's scroll down a little and here we've got the whole ringtone section. As you can see, we can change the ringtone for calls, for messages and for notifications. What's more, we can decide for what SIM we want to change it. Let me pick, for example, the phone ringtone, it doesn't really matter. And as you can see here, we can choose the SIM we want to apply our changes. And what's more, we can decide if we want to feel vibration while ringing. We can choose the music on device. Here we've got two options to choose from, and also the video ringtones. If you will have any compatible files, they will appear right here. And here we've got the list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. In order to listen how the particular one sounds, then simply tap on it. And if you decide that you want, for example, to use this ringtone, then simply tap on it and let's get back. And as you can see, it is immediately changed, and it means that from now on this device will use the ringtone you've just chose. The same situation will be with messages, for example, or notifications. Let me pick notifications, and here the same situation. We've got music on device. We can set none, so your device won't ring while showing you notifications, or simply tap on the one you want to listen. For example, this one. If you want to choose it, then tap on it and let's get back. And as you can see, it is also immediately applied. So that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.